What's up, XRP Ripple coin holders? How are you? Hope you're fine now, my friends. Once again, I'm present with the another latest update of the XRP coin, my friends. So this is the big news. Keep watch this video till the end. And if you are new in my channel, please make sure to subscribe ABS Tech channel. If you are new in my channel, please I request everyone once again and again that please subscribe now ABS Tech channel, my friends. Let's start the video, my friends. First of all, we discuss the latest news and updates about XRP Ripple coin. After that, we discuss more about XRP. The latest price of XRP is 0.688403 USD dollar. That is the latest price of the XRP. Furthermore, if we talk about the price changes of the XRP, so the latest last 1 hour, latest last 1 day price changes occurring the XRP is positive. My friends, if this pricing is positive, so that's mean that XRP is in the pumping mood. XRP price is going to increase. And still, my friends, at this time live, the XRP price is going to increase. And I'm very happy. I'm very happy when I see the price changes is positive, my friends. Believe me, my friends. And I hope you all feeling good about XRP Ripple coin today, because today everything is going positive. Cardano, XRP, Dogecoin, which in this all coin is today is going positive, my friends. And you know what is I told you, my friends, in my previous videos that these coin will take a huge pump in the last hour of June. So it is the last hour of June and they start pumping. Anyways, what is your opinion? What is your prediction about XRP? Please also share in the comment box. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more news and updates videos. Thanks for watching this video, my friend.